She lived alone. No pets, no guests. But last night at 2:11 a.m., she heard the basement door slam shut. Then, the lock clicked. She hadn't opened that door in over 5 years, didn't even have the key anymore. Frozen in the hallway, she slowly walked toward it. The doorknob was ice cold, but it turned. The door creaked open. Just a crack. From the dark, a voice whispered, "You locked me down here." She slammed it shut and called a locksmith that morning. He opened it fully. There was no one inside, just scratch marks. And a second door behind the furnace. Follow at Deadlight Division for true stories they tried to bury.